ToyTractorTimes.com is pleased to do a review of the new 2015 LaFayette Farm Toy Show 1/32 Massey Ferguson 1150. This is a piece that will be coming out in the next few months. It is made of resin, but it is a highly detailed 1/32 model of a classic V8 powered Massey Ferguson. As you can see, it has fine detail of the V8 engine. The Massey Ferguson 1150 was the first V8 powered tractor introduced in North America back in 1968. It has a full weight bracket on the front, Massey Ferguson emblems and graphics, a detailed breather and muffler complete with a rain cap, it has a detailed dashboard complete with instrumentation and levers. You can even see the Massey Ferguson emblem on the steering wheel. Detailed operator's platform complete with a rear floodlight on the fender. Detailed 3-point hitch and swinging drawbar. Again, we can see the other side of the V8 engine and operator's platform. This 1/32 model will be available through AGCO dealers and is produced by Shelf Replicas and should be available in the fall of 2015. Please visit ToyTractorTimes.com for other farm toy news.